What is up guys, Woody LS3 coming at you with another vlog. Today we're coming to you from my garage. We're going to be installing some much needed headlights on my wife's truck. Like I said, we're going to do upgrades on that truck little by little. Today we're going to do the headlights. She likes the stock headlights, but those do have the amber corners on the side. I was like, you know what, let's clean it up a little bit and let's do the clear corners. So pretty much that's what I got her. I got her a set of the black housings with the clear corner. This is what we're going to be installing. I think it'll look much better with those. We're not going to stop there. We're also going to be installing some brand new LED headlight bulbs. I have teamed up with Boslla. They are a company that provides the world's first 4-mode LED. And this is just for when you're in a foggy condition. It helps you with flashing. So not only do you use your blinkers, you also use your headlights for when it's really dark. I've been in some streets where it's really dark and it's hard to see, so this will definitely come in handy. I told them to go ahead and send them for my wife's truck, and she's gonna be trying these out. I'll leave the link in the description if you want a pair. We're gonna check these out. We're gonna be installing this, kind of give you a little quick review of what these do. So we're gonna move this car out the way. By the way, if you want to see action on this car, I actually raced my good friend Freddie, so definitely go ahead and check out this channel. I'll insert some clips of those races here just quick. But if you want to see the whole video, go ahead and check out his channel, Freddie LSX on YouTube. Very happy with this car where it's at. We pretty much just installed the cam ourselves here in the garage. I can honestly say this car has been built by me, tuned by Matt Sorian, the wrap by Automotive Apparel. Everything else has been done by myself here in this garage. So we're not going to stop there. We are going to be installing the supercharger on this car. Not right now. It's a little expensive. Plus I still got other projects I need to do. Like I said, let's go ahead and move this car out the way. Let's bring in my wife's truck and let's get started. Man, I need to fix my truck so I can start driving it again. Alright, now we're gonna move this thing, do a little cold start on it. Man, I love this car. Man guys, I can't believe how good this car came out. Super happy. There comes my wife, pulling in. She's always extra careful around my cars. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to work. Alright guys, so my wife just got out of her truck. She put her truck inside and she's like,
it's been a long time since my truck has been in this garage.
And why is that?
Because when I first got it, I didn't really know how to drive an SUV that great. And so whenever I was backing out, because it used to park right here, and then I think your truck was over there, right? On that side. And what did I do? Where is it at?
I think it's on the other side.
Was this side? So maybe I was on that side.
Yeah, my car was well, actually my car was behind my truck and you turned too wide.
Is that what it?
Yeah.
Or no, this is it, right? No, that's what you did.
I don't know what you're talking about.
There's like I did something. I marked up my truck.
I think it was on the back over here.
No, that's when I hit Joanne's mailbox.
I think it's somewhere. Oh, there it is. Is that it?
I think. I don't know.
It's pretty red. So.
Oh, that's when I hit yours. Yeah, that's what happened.
So what is that mark from? Why don't you tell the people?
So that's whenever I hit your truck.
You hit my car.
No. Oh, your car. Yes.
Yeah. All right, guys. So those of you that don't know, I had my truck parked in front here, and then my car was kind of hiding my car in the back, and she thought my car wasn't there, so she started reversing after she passed my car, and she actually pretty much, luckily this is fiberglass, but she just pretty much scratched this part of it, and then she messed this up pretty good. But luckily, like I said, with the wrap, everything like that, you can't even tell. So it's okay.
Yeah, I was so scared.
Hold on, let me get you here. But it's okay. I forgive you. You know, stuff happens.
Well, you have to forgive me. I'm your wife.
So stuff happens, but like I said, that's just a little story of me and my wife and stuff like that. Just
my bad driving skills, basically.
But she's a lot better now. She's a lot better.
Yeah, I
now.
actually am.
She's a lot better. I don't mind her using my stuff. The thing is, she's scared to use this car, especially because of the lips. Even I've actually messed this car up myself. And
oh yeah, when you first got it done.
Yeah, it was like the first week, and here's my lip, but we are going to be fixing it. Luckily, Papa Exclusive at Exclusive is going to be fixing it for me. I just got to take it off. I just haven't had time to do it, but he is going to be taking care of that for me, and then this car will be A1 again. Also, my wheels for this car are in. I know they've been sitting at the shop at Project Torque for a while. We are going to be picking those up. The only reason I haven't done it is because I want to ceramic coat them first, because they are polished, just to help so they don't get dirty so quick, and then we will be slapping those on. That way I'll have my full set of welds. So my CCWs will be up for sale. So like I said, just hit me a DM if you're interested. They are the Z06 fitment. You can go on my Instagram, look up pictures of my car when I had the full set on. Been having my welds in the back because I like to party, and so so like I said, just hit me a DM, see, throw me an offer, and we'll see what we do. But let's go ahead and get started on my wife's truck. Alright guys, so like I said, these are the headlights we're replacing. They're not bad, they just gotta get cleaned up, but I really don't like this amber. My wife wanted to keep these because she does like the black housings, but I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and take this amber off. So that's why I went ahead and ordered the ones I did. So let's go ahead and swap these out and see how it looks with the new ones. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start removing these bolts right here, 10mm bolt, and then we have to take apart this little bumper right here. Just take off this corner to remove the bolt that's in here, and then it should be able to come out. So let's go ahead and do all that, get these headlights swapped out so we can show you how it looks. Alright guys, so we took off the bolt, the two on top, and then one that goes right here on the side, two on top, and then the one right here. So now we got to take that one right here, but we have to take off the bumper, bring it down a little bit so we can get access to that bolt inside. Alright guys, we got the headlight popped off. I actually had to remove all these bolts right here for the grill, for the bumper, pull it apart down here just to remove the headlight. I still have that one to do, but this one's already off. Here's the old headlight. You'll see it's all hazy. And then your new one. The only difference between these two is the amber corner light. This one's amber and then this one's clear. I think it'll look a lot better than this one, plus that it's a new lens. Let's go ahead and slap on the new LED. Get going. Okay, so there you go. Here's the new LED installed. Pretty simple, just like any other LED. That goes on, goes plugged in right there, and then your LED. It does say to remove this before we go ahead and start. Can't wait to see how these work. Now we're gonna take our headlight, go ahead and start putting in our lights in the back. Don't forget to remove this little glass. It tells you to remove it. got the first one on. It looks good. I'm just not very happy with it. I got like about a 1/2 inch gap on this. For this reason is why I don't buy aftermarket headlights. You have issues like this. Pretty much they don't line up well. That bugs me right there. My wife's headlights are pretty bad, so I'm gonna leave these on. I am going to give her better ones for sure. If I can't find better ones, then I'll just get the OEM ones. But bulbs are on, so I'm gonna get the other one going, and then I'm gonna turn them on, show y'all the difference. So let's go ahead and start working on that other one. Guys, well there you have it. I went ahead and installed this headlight. That one's installed. This one fit a little better. Not as much gap here. It is kind of a little tighter here than here. But like I said, this is what you get with aftermarket. It's kind of going inside a little bit in here. This one's coming out here nice, but got this gap right here. You have to expect that with aftermarket stuff, but a lot of the new aftermarket stuff is pretty good. So I might just shop around, look at the reviews. These I just got because I like the way they look. I actually kind of wanted some of these for my truck, for my single cab, but now I'm gonna do a little more research. They definitely look better than those. But let's go ahead and move this back so y'all can see it. Alright guys, well there you go. The LEDs are on and they're actually on the mode right now. They have a little yellow tint to them. They're pretty cool. So let's go see what we can do to mess with them. Alright guys, these are the fog light mode. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. So these you want to use in the fog lights when you have the fog lights on. So all you have to do is turn the switch. Go ahead and turn the switch, they'll change. This is the hazards. So like I said guys, the hazards come on, like you know sometimes it's really dark. So these will take place of your hazards. You see that the blinkers are not actually on, it's the light bulb. That's pretty cool. I guess if you're stranded, you go ahead and put those on. Yeah, that's really cool. I like that mode. I'm definitely glad we put this on my wife's truck instead of my truck. Now it's the bright. It's the way it's gonna look when she's cruising. So I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, it's just this knob right here. You just move it. There you go. That's one mode. That's the fog light mode. And then those are the hazards. So that's pretty cool. And it's all a twist of a knob. So man, I definitely recommend these guys. Like I said, it's Boslla. There you go. And then these are the modes it has. Like I said, I just showed you. But definitely pick some of these up. Can't go wrong with them. It's for foggy conditions, you know, stranded. You know, there's fog just comes out of nowhere. My wife doesn't have fog lights, so that's pretty cool that those lights actually change. I'm very happy. I just wish the headlights would have fit a little bit better. But like I said, you can't be mad. It definitely looks a whole lot better with these on. Let's do some more upgrades to this. But like I said guys, we're gonna keep doing more things to this truck. Shout out to Boslla. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, so definitely check them out. There you go guys, the headlights are installed, light bulbs are installed. Like I said, big shout out to Boslla for sending me the LED light. We're gonna try them out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Let my wife drive it for a little bit, see what she thinks, and then give y'all an update on a later video. Like I said, we are gonna do different headlights, but these will do for now. And then, like me and my wife said, we're gonna drop it. We're still looking at what drop we're gonna do. So we don't wanna go too low because this is our family vehicle. So like I said guys, more videos like this coming up. If y'all like videos like this, stay tuned. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.